Today we're making two roof houses. Alright, let's begin. If it shows this, do this face and taper. See this, click this, there, then do 60 on this. There you go. Let's press that. Any size will do. Get rid of the polyline. Alright. Now we can copy this. There. Subtract it. There. There is your gabled roof. For the next one is will create the walls. Let's do 90 and 120. 90 by 120. Suppose offsets please burn into 50 and then subtract it. There. Oh wait, subtract this and this. Alright, next one is create line in the middle. Then let's move this to that. Oh. Alright. It should be like this. Yep, should be. Then what this one create at 25 distance. Then put your roof on this up. Oh wait, shit. Guess that's great. 50. 50, I guess. Right, that should be the. Huh. Let's just try to adjust this. Shit. Wait. Line again. Let's do 35 this time. Alright, it should fit. Nah. Alright. Should be like this. Next step is really create something. Oh fuck. Oh. Wait, what if... Never mind. It's just... like this. Let's see if that will work. Oh shit. Try this. Yep, that works, I guess. Now remove those unnecessary things and do the same to the other one. Just simply copy it. Alright. Shaded. Alright. Yep, I guess that's done. Now let's do the floor. Simply just create a polyline and extrude it. And there you go. Finish. Gabled roof is done. Now let's proceed to hip roof. So this is just simple. We just need to create 100, 150, 100, 150. Oh, Okay, 3D, then create a box, and just make it 100. Oh wait, I'm doing it wrong. Oh fuck. Never mind, let's just adjust this. Extrude 50 to the subtract. Alright. Now in making the roof, simply just put polythene on the edges, all of it. Then offset it by 5, I suppose. Yep, I'm right. Then here's the triangle part, extruding it. Train. You can make it any size, just yep. Then do this, right that, and there you go. It's easy, I suppose. But I'm just covering 2 roofs for today, so I'll be continuing in doing this. Make the roof. I mean, make the floor. Oh shit. Oh, never mind. Suppose that's finished. I guess that went well, I suppose. This one is gabled and this one is Hebrew. Alright, thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.